5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What's it like to launch an Atlas rocket? It takes an experienced team, disciplined communication, about 7.5 hours of time, and here's how we do it. With the flight profile designed and the rocket fully assembled and rolled to the launch pad, the team reports to their stations and initiates the launch count by applying power to the Centaur second stage and the Atlas first stage and preparing the launch pad systems for remote operations. The commands to power the launch vehicle are issued from this room, the Launch Control Center at the Atlas Space Flight Operations Center, or as we call it, the ASOC. The ASOC also includes the Mission Director Center and several other rooms that house the entire launch team. The team here at the launch site is supported by another team of engineers at the Denver Operations Support Center, or DOSC.
About 100 team members here in Denver provide engineering support to the teams located at our launch sites. Prior to flight, our support includes troubleshooting anomalies during countdown and verifying flight data. Denver Engineering also analyzes winds aloft at the launch sites and provides steering updates to the vehicle to minimize loads during flight. Finally, we have our labs processing the vehicle data while running simulated flight and ground computer systems, ready to reproduce any control anomalies that arise so we can develop and test solutions without disrupting the team at the launch site. Following liftoff, our mission team confirms the vehicle performance, matches predictions, and provides the final orbital parameters to the customer.
As we step through a precise sequence of tasks and procedures to remotely configure, verify systems, and launch, each crew member has a specific role to play and the responsibility to report nominal and off-nominal observations. As launch conductor, my role is to lead the team through the launch count procedure, ensuring all engineering disciplines have been coordinated. Communication is a critical and vital part of the launch procedure. Overall coordination of the team occurs on Channel 1, or Countdown Net.
A key component of any launch countdown is clear and accurate communication with the range. Our partners at the Eastern and Western Range provide command and control, communications, launch vehicle telemetry, radar, and weather, all in an effort to maximize public safety and, of course, maximize our launch opportunities. In my role as a range coordinator, I provide launch vehicle status to the range and, of course, receive status from the range and report any issues to the launch director. During any given launch countdown, the range may report the status as green or go, or there may be red, no go. Reason for a red range include unfavorable weather and public safety or technical issues. Additionally, my job is to provide the status back to the launch team, help work through any issues, and coordinate new launch time, should we need to adjust our planned T0 or liftoff time.
Our launch countdown procedure is conducted in what we call T- time, or T time. We start the count at T- 6 hours, 20 minutes and count down to T0, which is launch. Every launch countdown includes built-in hold times, and the T time is specific time spent preparing the rocket for launch. The final hold occurs at T- 4 minutes. We conduct briefings and polls throughout the count, but with 3 minutes left in the final hold, we poll the team for their readiness to proceed with terminal count. During this final status check, each of the 27 responsible engineers and managers must respond with go or no go. The readiness poll includes hydraulics, pad water deluge system, electrical systems, pneumatics, propulsion systems, flight control and propellants.
Go. Centaur systems, propulsion. Go. Pneumatics. Go.
The mission director and launch director provide the final approvals to proceed to launch.
Range coordinator, clear to proceed. Launch director, LD is go. You have permission to launch. Proceeding with the count.
With the approval to proceed, the final hold is released and the clock starts counting down the final 4 minutes.
3:55.
During this time, automated processes reconfigure the vehicle for launch.
Securing LO2 topping.
Atlas tanks to flight pressure.
FPS internal. Securing Centaur LH2.
A final status check is reported at T- 25 seconds.
25. Status check. Go Atlas. Go Centaur.
Go OA4. Rock. Report range status.
Range green.
A few seconds before liftoff, the RD-180 main engine performs a health check before releasing the hold-down system, allowing the rocket to lift off the pad on its mission to orbit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have position. Thrust. Grounds are good. Boosters square the MOP.
And that's what it's like to launch an Atlas V rocket.
And we have spacecraft separation.
SS Deep Slayton II, welcome to space.